Because I'm here for the blizzards. Even though I sound like a tourist forever and ever, amen. Right? They don't hear the parts of me that pick up on this way of speaking, this PA down the road, right? They don't hear that part of me that I picked up from it, right? They just hear this, they hear car, coffee, right? That's all they hear. They don't hear nothing else. Water, right? They don't hear anything else besides that part of me. They don't hear the part of me that my grandfather helped build, right? With the little twang once in a while, right? That's how I got that. All right, back off of me. Why do I have to have the blinker on for so long for them to back the fuck off of me? All right, because I know that they don't do that. All right, even in the rain. That's why I put the blinker on extra early for them. Because I know they don't give a shit. It's just the way it is for them, dog. They do not give a shit. They want you to always give a shit, but they don't fucking give a shit. Right? You gotta pick up their phone call and be like, you, right? But they never have to pick up your phone call. And then when you start doing that shit, now you an asshole. Right? When I was always the one calling motherfuckers, feeling like I'm bothering them. Basically. You know? Basically. Fucking basically, dog. Not even basically. Indefinitely, 100% that's what it was. Me thinking I'm bothering motherfuckers all the time. So I stopped calling them. And then what a surprise. They don't even give a fuck where I'm at. And I'm still here hoping that they're happy and blessed. And I forgot the fucking watermelon for my coworker. Great. Maybe that's a sign. Huh? Maybe that's a fucking sign.